Hello everyone. Today's video is an unboxing, really. I just got an order from Jackson's. I ordered a bunch of stuff to replenish some things that I'm running out of, and because I saw it and I thought it'd be cool. I'm just gonna dive right in because there's just so much here. I'm just gonna put that to the side. And first I want to get started with what's right here. I ordered soft pastels. Jackson's, which is a art supply store in the UK, also creates their own paint. I'm sure they have a manufacturer agreement with someone, or you know, they have their own things. They make watercolors and acrylics and also soft pastels. I don't know if they make anything else. I haven't really looked into it, but I only saw one review for these online, and I thought that was interesting because so anyways, I thought that this was interesting because they're at a low price and they claim to be really high quality, and I'm quite interested in seeing what they're like. So let's see what's in the box. Ooh, nice. So what I did for these was Jackson's has a make your own palette option for their soft pastels. So you can select 14 colors and you get a set. And you get a discount on the pricing if you do that as well. Now, I was just curious as to what this gigantic piece was, so I quickly unwrapped it. And what's nice about Jackson's is that they do ship everything in, you know, eco-friendly packaging, and it's all secure and taken care of. So basically, even though I selected 14 colors, they didn't pre-pack them for me into a box. Oh. Can't even get this box open. Oh no. Oh, there we go. So this is the box that they advertise on their website. Ooh. So it's got all the slots for each color. So let's pack it. So I did this one first, right? No, I didn't do this one first. That. I feel like my hands are gonna get dirty. 1 second. Okay, this is taking longer than a second. For some reason, I can't seem to get the glove on. Okay. So, I mean, you don't technically need to wear gloves doing this, but I just want to keep them clean because I'm going to be looking at other things. So when picking out these colors, I tried to pick out colors that I found interesting, but also colors that I know I love to use. And that's what's so great about these whole build your own package things, is that you can pick your own colors. Like, they have a fluorescent pink, guys. I don't know if it's picking up in the camera or anything, but whew, I'm excited to see what it looks like painted. Painted? Drawn. Oh my goodness. Okay. What should I do first? White? Yeah. White. Which one's this? Light lime yellow. Should I put that with the greens? I think I'm going to put that with the greens. So I'm going to put yellow first. Light pink color. Pink. Fluorescent pink. Uh-oh. And then this one looks really nice. It's light vermilion. Very interesting red. I don't know if these are all gonna fit. And then I'm gonna do purple, which I got was actually violet pink, but it kind of looks like a lilac color to me, and I really like it. Oh no, guys. Where do I put my warm ochre? Should I put it there? I don't know. Oh well. Before I do that again, a light blue. This one is a Prussian blue. I love my Prussian blues. So I had to get in the soft pastel too. And this one here is kind of a pale lime green. So I put that there, that there. Bohemian Green. I wonder what that's gonna look like. This one's dark emerald green. It's not as dark as I thought it would be, but that's okay. I'm a little concerned about how I'm going to fit this. Oh, well, wouldn't you know? There we go. Custom set of 14 colors of Jackson Soft Pastels. So exciting. I think I'm going to do a separate video of swatchings. This is just me unpacking and seeing, you know, making sure everything's there in the box. Awesome. Okay. Just gonna make these disappear. Next, so I got more of this Fluorescent Pink from Golden. Love it. I'm actually running out of my little jar. So I got this one when I was first like, oh, that's interesting. Let's see what it's like. And now that I'm running out of it, I grabbed the larger one. I was actually expecting this to be bigger, but yeah. Got that. And then I got a bunch of gouache because I wanted to round out my colors. Oh boy. These two look almost identical. Like, I mean, I can technically see a difference between this pink and this pink. Oh, but they are so close in color. It might even look identical on the screen. I sure hope these swatch different. Ooh, that's bright. Oh. Well, they look different wet, so yay. I know I'm like more of a chillaxed, open box person. You know, we watch some people on YouTube and I love the way they do videos. They're like so excited. They're like, oh my God, this color. Oh, it's so cool. But I'm just like, not that. I do like these three colors together. They make a nice limited color palette. This would be a good painting. Let's open this last box. Sorry for my dog barking. I'm not actually sorry. He does that when it gets dark out and the lights of cars driving by. Ooh. Anyway, it's pale lavender and light red bright also. I'm loving these two colors together. I mean, this would be an interesting color palette. Maybe with like a pale pink or that fluorescent pink or even that. Okay. Just gonna set those aside. Get rid of these boxes. And we'll go into these boxes. One color, one box. So this is from the Matisse structure line. I actually quite like this paired with my fave Charvin and Golden. They are beautiful colors and they work really well texture-wise together. And what I find interesting about this brand is that this does not have the same smell as the Matisse colored ground stuff, you know, the gesso, the colored gesso. That stuff smells disgusting. And this, on the other hand, does not. Sure hope it wasn't just those colors, but got this color, which is Australian Sienna. It's kind of like I thought it'd be an interesting color for mixing. Light magenta, yellow mid-azo, and Southern Ocean blue. This just looked so interesting on the thing. It was like, ooh. And I wanted to get this one to be more of a vibrant yellow. And you can never, I always need more pink. And then I got another magenta, Prussian blue, and burnt sienna, because my Prussian blue from my golden is running out, and I wanted to try out this brand's Prussian blue to see if it's a different color. It might be. Some brands, they aren't identical when it comes to colors. But yeah, I thought, let's see what it's like. Also, I know I have a magenta from Charvin, but it's a different kind of magenta. Let me show you. So this one here is their bright magenta, and it's definitely more on the redder side when it comes to color. And even though they are using the same pigment, pigments when ground and treated and used with different materials can create different colors. So this is more on the red side, where this is more on the purpley side, because it is Quin Violet magenta. So it is more on that purple side. So I think it'll make, these two will have nice differences in their mixtures when making oranges and pinks. So I want to have an alternative to this one. More boxes I gotta get rid of. Where to put these? And the last item I got from Jackson's was an Etcher Sketchbook. I recently have been working more in an actual physical journal while doing my healing with art time. I've been working in a book, and normally I actually just work on individual sheets, but I've really enjoyed that, so I thought I would get another book. I'm gonna just throw it to the garbage, but it's not over there. This is interesting. Paper. Paper, not a box, it's just paper. And more plastic. Ugh. Why is this so hard? Okay, so I've seen a couple of reviews of the Etcher Sketchbook, and many people had many great things to say. One of the things that I found interesting is that some artists were actually painting on the outside of their books, because they're like, this is plain canvas and you can, you know, do creative things like that. And I hope this is showing the texture. It actually is textured fabric. It's fabric more than canvas, so I don't know if I'll paint it. Ooh. Envelope thingy. Ooh, and thick pages. I like the sound of that. Okay, this is exciting. This will definitely do really well with doing the sitting down with my art journal sessions. That way I can use a mixture of things in here. You know, I can do my acrylic gouaches, I can do inks, I can add watercolors once I start feeling the vibe with those again. And I bet I could do my acrylics in here, my heavy bodies too, just because the paper's thick enough that it could withstand it. So that's it. I'm just okay. Let me just clean this up. Okay, so that is everything from my Jackson's order. This is future Leah speaking right now. So my hands are going to be moving and it's not going to go with what I'm saying, mostly because I fumbled a lot recording it, and then, you know, my puppy's barking and stuff. So anyways, I am going to make another video swatching all the items from this order to see what the colors look like, do some color mixing even. I'm really looking forward to working with the new colors in the Holbein and adding them to my current collection. And I'm really looking forward to using the Matisse colors. Fingers crossed that they do not smell like the Matisse ground. Just because it was so bad. A little nervous about the soft pastels. I've never used soft pastels before, but I think it's going to be a really fun new thing to really add some, you know, looseness and like just like being free with things. And yeah, you know, doing like smoogie stuff. I don't know if smoogie is an actual word or not, but it's smoogie. Okay, so anyways, I am going to reach the end of this. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing as a relaxing video. And until next time, stay magical. Oh, wait. If you have any questions about these materials or anything you want to see, like a review of them, you let me know in the comment section below, and I'll make individual separate videos for them. Yeah, okay. Now I'm saying goodbye. Bye.